Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong
And I Josephine. Chinese New Year again is this month, and there's a certain thing that's happening during this month that has nothing to do with Chinese New Year, but it just happens to be the 9th day of the first month of the lunar calendar. 也就是农历的这个正月初9呢，有所谓的东西，这我最近才听说的，叫做这个字子祭啊。
狮子鸡，
哇，狮子，
没狮子哦，
不是在狮呢。
中的差。
Hold on, I'm very confused right now. You taught me 字子祭。
狮子鸡。
See， 他又要叫我狮 ，which means tear。
没狮子，
那为什么叫我狮子？狮子是叉字。
叉字。
字子祭就是狮子鸡，狮子鸡 in Hakka. Okay, it sounds like she wants me to tear the paper apart, which we cannot do during this festival, by the way. This is something that was developed a long time ago, and it's the ancient people's way of respect to the written language. Anything that's written on paper should be disposed of properly. It shouldn't be just thrown away or torn apart and just put in the dump. They have to put it aside and put it inside a basket on the table. And at a certain time of the day, there'll be someone here to collect it. And collectively, they will burn this stack of paper at a certain date, which is the 9th day of the lunar calendar of the first month. And this tradition is not really practiced anymore, unless it's a recycling process these days. But if you go down to Kaohsiung County's Meinong Township, 也就是美浓镇呢，听说还是有办这个东西，对不对？有。你有去看过吗？还没有去哈。有听过 Okay, so if you'd like to see this ritual, this festival, again, the written paper fest, or 字子祭, which is 狮子祭 Okay, 狮子祭狮子祭 Okay, if you want to see this festival, go down to Kaohsiung County's Meinong Township. If you don't take part in this festival, well, be sure to recycle your paper anyways. That's how we do it nowadays. 也就是要回收再利用嘛，对不对？错。怎么说？
废俗再利用。
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 That means recycle and reuse. Okay, that's something that we should practice anyways, with paper, with plastic, with all recyclables. And that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张伟了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.